Welcome. I have this stainless steel grill here, and I say it's stainless steel, but it's only partial stainless steel. They only make certain parts out of stainless, and the rest is painted sheet metal. So the other day I was doing some cleaning, and this surface of the grill was really dirty. It had mold on it and stuff, and I'll show you what it looked like before. So I cleaned it off with this Super Clean here. And this was provided to me by Super Clean, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. So I got that cleaned off, and then I was probably days or weeks later, I don't remember. I was cleaning out the garage and I found these two spray paints. So I thought, I might as well just paint this really quick. So I painted it with this. This is a metallic paint, and I'll put a link below to all of these products on Amazon. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. And this is a metallic paint. And I painted it on. This is supposed to look like chrome. I've never had it look like the cap exactly. And then this is a clear coat, and this has a UV protectant in it of some sort. So I sprayed probably 2-3 coats of this to cover it. I did really light misting coats, and then I did this over the top, and this is the result I got. And this actually looks very similar to what it looked like when it was new. So it matches the stainless quite well. Now, yeah, if you get up close, you're going to see there's grain in this, and this has no grain in it. But before this, it looked like this. It was just dirty and nasty looking. So you can see more of it over here, this dull gray. The sun really beat it up really bad. So you can really tell the difference here between the stainless here and the not stainless. There's some down here too. So it's fall right now, so it's going to be getting cold, but I think next spring I'm going to do the rest of this. I like how this turned out. It was kind of an experiment, and it just really, it looks like brand new, and it didn't take much time either. Now I did overspray a little bit here. It'd be best to probably take this off or mask it or something, but that's not bothering me too much. It's kind of an old grill. It's kind of dented here and stuff, so. But I wanted to share this in case anyone else had a stainless steel grill with painted parts, and they want to kind of renew or refresh those. I like the combination of these two paints for getting it back to looking new or as good as new. It really matches well. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.